permit to assemble a rally?
Hindi. Ang sabi ng batas, basahin mo ha, written permit is required when to conduct a rally. Ibig sabihin, ang permit hindi sa rally, but sa paggamit ng public place.
Yung kalsada, yung
Paggamit ng public place. Walitan ha?
Oo.
Written permit is required. Hindi dahil gusto ka mag-rally against a government or support sa government. Hindi. Ang written permit is required for the use of a public place kung saan ka mag-conduct ng rally. Very clear ang ating batas. Ang constitutionally guaranteed ang freedom, ang tinatawag na right to assemble, to peaceably assemble, and petition the government for redress of grievances. Wala nakalagay doon na dapat may permit bago ka mag-rally. Ang sabi ng batas, kailangan ka ng permit bago ka mag-rally kung doon ka mag-conduct ng rally in a public place.